Come one, come all, come to Baker Distributing and see the fabulous Calgon display of no-rinse coil cleaners. Yes sir, right here at Baker Distributing they have a beautiful display of some of the best coil cleaners that you can buy. They sell it by the gallon too, in case if you have to buy something that is not a no-rinse. And here's a sludge sucker that you can get to help you clean the coils and your condensate drains. The Pink Panther is ready to show you how to clean a coil. And take a look at that coil that he just cleaned with the no-rinse coil cleaners that are proudly displayed on top of the coil. And where can you get these fine Nu-Calgon products? Why, at Baker Distributing, of course. Hello my viewers. I always say that seeing is believing. And let's compare. Both are mighty fine, no-rinse evaporator coil cleaners. So we're going to put them to the test. One of these contenders is the CalSpray Evap Foam No-Rinse. It's a foaming, no-rinse cooling coil cleaner. It says it cleans and deodorizes, can be sprayed from any angle, right side up or upside down, no rinsing, fast breaking foam, conforms to federal specifications, and it has a pleasant lemon scent. And the next contender is the CalSpray Evap Fresh Evaporator Coil Cleaner and Disinfectant. It's a cleaner and disinfectant, mildew stat. It's a deodorizer and has a great lemon scent. And both of these are Nu-Calgon products. Both contenders, shake hands and come out fighting. What I have here is your typical residential 2.5 ton evaporator coil, and I'm going to clean 1/2 of this coil with the CalSpray Evap Foam No Rinse, and the other half with the CalSpray Evap Fresh Evaporator Coil Cleaner and Disinfectant. This coil isn't really a neglected coil, so it's not in too bad of shape. I mean, it's a little bit dirty, so I would say that it's a good candidate for using a no-rinse coil cleaner. This is lemon scented. Alright, that's one side. Now, on the next side, this is supposed to be a good foaming type of coil cleaner. Okay, let's take a look here. See how these coils are looking after just spraying on the solutions. Okay, this is the side that I sprayed on the CalSpray Evap Fresh Evaporator Coil and Disinfectant. And it has a nice lemony smell, if I may add. Now this side, you can tell, is a bit more of a foamer, which really helps to pull out some of the grime in reality. This is the side that I use the CalSpray Evap Foam No Rinse solution. They're both actually no rinse solutions, but the stuff in the green can, I believe, is probably a little better of a foamer. Okay, now I'm going to clean another coil. I'll go ahead and clean this side of the coil here with the Spray Evap Foam No Rinse solution. It's stuff in a green can. Alright, so far I found that this is a pretty decent foaming type of no rinse coil cleaner. That's good. This side I'll go ahead and clean with the Spray Evap Fresh evaporator coil cleaner and disinfectant. And here we go. Whoa! I can smell that lemony scent and everything already. See, this does foam up a bit too, but the other, I guess, is more of a foaming type solution. From what I can tell here, both products are really pretty good. Now, you don't need to rinse these no-rinse coil cleaners because, for the most part, when you turn on your system, the condensate will wash away any of the chemical, algae, and other such unhealthy grime. Okay, now here's the real deal with any no-rinse coil cleaner. If your evaporator coil looks like someone shot a bunch of tar at it, then you're probably going to have to really call a professional in to have that coil pulled out of the air handler or coil box and cleaned. The no-rinse coil cleaners are a great solution to maintain a coil that is maybe just a little bit dirty. So about once a year, all you have to do is spray this no-rinse coil cleaning solution on your evaporator coils, and they also sell some for condensing coils, and that will help to maintain your coils so that you won't have to use any of them heavy degreasers. So just keep in mind that if your coil is extra dirty, then you're going to have to call in a professional. Hey, are you disappointed that you didn't win the drawing from the last time that Baker Distributing gave away a set of Black Max manifold gauges by CPS? Well, here's your second chance. Just make a comment below telling me that you'd like to sign up for the next drawing and you'll be eligible.